Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about new window in Adobe Illustrator. This window saves your time and done your project faster. I'm talking about Actions window. So let's start. To open Actions window, click on Window and choose Actions. This window is used for doing many operation by only one click. For example, I will make an rectangle like this and choose black color, and now I can choose any action from here. These are default action by Adobe, and I have here opacity 60 and click on play. Now I decrease the opacity of the rectangle to 60 and I can increase it for 40, and I have here many actions like move or rotate or share, reflect, intersect, and many actions. And I have here some buttons. The first one, stop or play recording and begin recording, play current selection, create new set, create new action, and delete selection. The first one, if you want to add a new action to this menu, you can click on new set and start record your operation. And after you finish it, click on stop to finish your action. And you can start recording from here, and you can do your action from play and create new set to create a new folder like this folder, and I have create new action to make a new action, and delete to delete any action. And from here I have the same settings in the top, and start recording, record again, insert menu item or insert stop, insert select path or select object. I can also have action options or playback options. I can change the action options by the function key, like add a shortcut to your action and color your action. And also I have playback option, and I can clear action, reset actions, load action from any file. You can download any action from internet and replace action. And I have button mode to make action like button, and I have batch. This is used for repeat your action for many times. I can choose any folder like this and do many actions for many files, and click on OK to do many operation on many files. Now I will make a new action. Click on new action and call your action like Illustrator, and set for choose the folder. I will choose default action, and you can add shortcut for your action like one of buttons here, and add shift button or control button, and you can choose any color for your action like red, and start recording. Now you can see the new action here, and now Illustrator program record any operation you do. I will change the color like this and open a line window, and choose align to the center. And now I will change the color of stroke, and I will decrease the stroke, and add drop shadow, like this, and click on OK. Now I will click on stop recording, Now I have this action, and I can add this action on any shape. I will delete this and add a new rectangle with any color. And now only select your action and click on play. The Illustrator will make your actions. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.